Don't mind me taking a picture with you and your food, do you?
Apparently not.
Linda Sheridan of the Pay It Forward Committee is putting her best foot forward.
You got to do what you can do. And I do food really well.
In the wake of the Dallas tornado destruction, workers are going nonstop.
I came by here this morning and talked to the manager, and he said, bring on lunch. That sounds great.
Thank you so much, man.
Got chips and cookies. There's water on the side over there.
While Linda was spared from destruction,
Tornadoes bounced over my house, but
she doesn't feel the impact any less.
we're all in this. We're all in the traffic. We're all in the devastation. We're all losing jobs. Who knows?
Thank you so much, by the way.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I have to do something.
So Linda continues on to where help is needed.
I'm on my way to the blocked off street to feed lunch over there. Y'all barely made a dent. We're all in this together. If we all do well, we all do well.
From Dallas, Texas, I'm Andre Duncan, Chronicle TV.